Hello and welcome. This is a review of the LED light, the Nadair LED lights. They are a good light. I'm going to be ordering more. So I've got the Nadair lights. Open these up. You've got your 20% discount here for posting a video like this. 10% if you put photos of it while installed. So open this up. Let's pull out one of these. Oh, the other ones are all the same. So now in here comes with a nice template and everything. Tells you approximately how much they're worth. Everything. Open them up. Very simple packaging. Instructions. Instructions are very simple. Nothing to them. And then we have the actual lights here. Come packaged with some... and these are just clipped in. This here is an optional ring to install. All it does is it goes here over top and you bend the tabs down. Lights have a nice plastic film on them. And they disconnect, twist, O-ring here. Some of them are tight. So the O-ring here, just put that back on here so I don't lose it. 2-pin connections. So, and they're a decent light. They install well. Just slide them in, clip them. They're damp rated and everything, so you can put them above a shower and all that. And they look great. The box is very simple. Open them here. This one got easy. Normally, I take a screwdriver, pop, and you're good. Once you're inside, 3 wires come with this nice little push connector. And it's a decent amount of space, not the best. To open the sides, just put a screwdriver in the little flat lever and twist, and they come right up. The problem with them is this end is badly stamped. It normally leaves this little tab here, which you then have to break off with a pair of pliers or something like that. 1 second, I'll get my pliers, break that off. It's an aluminum box, so it breaks pretty easy, just like that. Nothing really to it. This side, on the other hand, they're not stamped quite as well, so this side takes a little bit of filling, but when it comes, it breaks off clean. The problem with this end, the ground cable is right across the opening here, so you have to take this and bend and push it out of the way like that in order to be able to get a connector in here. The metal connectors with a threaded collar do not fit. You have to use the plastic push-in connectors in order to get it. Little bit of a design flaw, nothing major. The ground wire, a lot of time it's in the way, and it's really hard to move. I've actually broken a couple trying to move it. Other than that, there's nothing super special about them. They're lightweight. Make sure these are pushed in. I've had a couple pop out on me. The flaw, there is no mounting screws or holes anywhere. So I drill a couple of holes in the bottom here, and then just mount it to the ceiling or whatever that way. leaving enough room so I can hook these up after the drywall is in, or whatever thing you're using. So put the wires in, close it up, and you're good to go. Like I said, it's a good light. I will be buying more. I do recommend them, but know that you're getting pretty much what you're paying for. I don't have anything to wire them up here, so I can't show you the light. They are quite bright when you're looking at them, but like any LED, the light doesn't travel super far, but that's good enough. If you take them apart, if you break a wire or anything, they're really easy to fix. There's a couple of extra solder points here to reattach this wire, but other than that, they're good. So there's 4 screws, and it's an LED strip around the outside going to a sheet of glass with a diffuser, and that's what you see here. So thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.